At the outset, U.S. military engineers expected the RAH-66 Comanche to be the veritable 21st century armed scout helicopter. Unfortunately, the disastrous program merely gobbled up a staggering $6.9 billion crater in the U.S. defense budget. In the end, there was little to show for the big bucks spent. What killed the ambitious stealth helicopter Comanche program? Many point to three culprits: the emergence of drones, the fall of the Soviet Union, the sloppy engineering craft linked to the project. Thus, the defense mandarins wiped out the RAH-66 Comanche program in one fell swoop. Yes, the Comanche program stealthily disappeared,